Hello everyone! Another chess puzzle I'm going to share with you. In that position, it seemed like there was no hope for White to win that game. But White still won this match. So join me as we discuss how and White still managed to win. The king is here for the block. Have 2 pawns. And the white one, the king is here. A bishop and a 2 pawns. The direction for that white, for forward like that. So, what can white do to stop the black pawn from promoting? So in this case, you can pause the video and try to solve it yourself, and I will be back to you after a while. Alright, as you can see, the black pawn almost promoted. Only 2 moves become a queen. So white first 2 moves. So we try some other variation to stop that. For example, b2, catches pawn. But the black answer, king d5. Then, if he move his, cannot catch his pawn because there is a king. If he move his pawn to a3, pawn takes pawn. Cannot put his bishop here because there is a king. If he try to move on c1, forward his pawn, black pawn to c2. If he move his bishop to d2, the other pawn will forward to g2. If he move his bishop here, become a queen. So, return back to the position. There is no way bishop to put here on d6 because there is a king. King will catch his bishop. How about this move, bishop c1? But the pawn will forward. Black, pawn g2. Then, cannot put his bishop here on e3. There is a pawn. So, that is not the solution. Return to the position like that. If bishop want to catch his pawn here, the king block will go to d5. So, cannot catch his pawn. Then, forward his pawn, become a queen. How about this move? Bishop c5. The king moved to d5. Then, the what answer if he move his king here to support his bishop, forward his pawn, block. Then there is no possibility to stop this, become a queen. Alright, back to the position like that. Look at that. This is the brilliant move for the white. Bishop c5. If King d5, bishop b6. If he forward his pawn, black answer for the black, e4, check. It's a pass pawn. If his pawn cuts his pawn white like that, bishop takes pawn, then cannot forward here his pawn. So that is the winning for the white. Easily to put, cannot forward to promote his pawn. So after that, to come closer and this pawn become a queen. Bishop c5. And then black answer, king d5. Not the king move for that. After that, bishop move to the b6. If he move his pawn forward, the black one, to g2, white made a check. If king e5, there is a check on that here. Bishop c7, check. Move to e6 and then cannot forward his pawn. That is easily to move closer and then catch this pawn. Will move to g1 and then catch this pawn. That is surely white will win. Return to the position like that. That is the right move. Bishop c5. If he move his king to e5, bishop b6. If he forward his pawn to g2, there is a check on that. On c7, check. Cannot forward his king here. So, king move on, d5. Then, bishop h2. Then, that is easily white win for that position. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it to be updated on my upcoming video. I'm uploading weekly a chess puzzle, at chess games of greatest chess player of all time. Thank you for watching.